Hey guys! I'm so glad you could join with me today. I'm going to be reading one of my favorite books called Is Your Mama a Llama? Written by Deborah Guarino and illustrated by Stephen Kellogg. Is Your Mama a Llama brings back so many childhood memories. It is honestly one of my favorite books, and so I'm so excited to be sharing this book with you guys today.
Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Dave. No, she is not, is the answer Dave gave. She hangs by her feet and she lives in a cave. I do not believe that's how llamas behave.
Oh, I said. You're right about that. I think that your mama sounds more like a bat.
Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Fred. No, she is not, is what Freddie said. She has a long neck, white feathers, and wings. I don't think a llama has all of those things. Oh, I said, you don't need to go on. I think that your mama must be a swan. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Jane. No, she is not, Jane politely explained. She grazes on grass and she likes to say moo. I don't think that's what a llama would do. Oh, I said, I understand now. I think that your mama must be a cow. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Clyde. No, she is not, is how Clyde replied. She's got flippers and whiskers and eats fish all day. I do not think llamas are quite in that way. Oh, I said, I'm beginning to feel that your mama must really be a seal. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Rhonda. No, she is not, is how Rhonda responded. She's got big hind legs and a pocket for me. So I don't think a llama is what she could be. Oh, I said, that is certainly true. I think that your mama's a kangaroo. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Lynn. Oh, Lloyd, don't be silly, Lynn said with a grin. My mama has big ears, long lashes, and fur, and you, of all people, should know about her. Our mamas belong to the same herd, and you know all about llamas 'cause you are one too. Yes, you are right, I said to my friend. My mama's a llama. And this is the end.